Well, good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel, my Nike S10 shopping garage. Okay, the last video I put up, as far as I know, everything is still working good. I will let you know in the next video. I sprung a transmission fluid leak. I don't know whether I caused it or something just decided to give way and start leaking. My car got towed in. Well, I made a call, 24-hour towing, and got the car back home last night. So I want to bring to your attention, don't try this yet till I find out whether I caused it or it just decided to spring a leak. Okay, let me get this turned around. Okay, here's what I'm going to do while the car's down. I'm doing a filter change. And everything still holds up the way it should. That this will be the last time I change the filter, because the inline filter I have put into my line on my 08 Pontiac G6 GT 3.5. Now, give me just a second here. There's the info that you need. Okay, now turn this around where you can see it better. At your local auto store. Here's what the new filter looks like. And these divots are not where the fluid goes into. And this is just a seal that presses out, presses in the trans for filler neck, or the fluid flow. Turn it over, that's where the fluid goes in. Now we're going to go out to the garage and take a look at the pan. Okay, as you can see, of course I've got the pan off. And the magnet in the pan comes factory. What little bit you see of some dirt and metal fragments, minute and small, that's normal. That's absolutely normal. The fluid looks great at 40,000 miles, but she's been maintained and flushed numerous times. She's got 107,000 and change on her. Looking really good. Now, this rigid or ribbed seal is the factory one. I know it was changed the filter. And it recommends to reuse this seal gasket. And I've used it 4 times. So I'm not going to be changing it. I'm still going to use it. I started to say not use it. And I will show you on the instructions that I forgot to show you while I was in the shop. But all's looking good. Give me a sec. Here you go. I'm going to back this up and try to get all this in here for you at once. And as you can plainly see, reusable pan gasket, standard pan gasket. And the one to the right that you're looking at this comes with the filter. That one's the OEM. And I've just recently said I'm going to reuse it. I'll wipe it down and put her back on. Okay, get this turned back around. Here I am. Okay, I don't think right now I caused the problem. I don't know what caused the problem for sure. I'm still digging into this. And I will let you know ASAP. And I'm hoping it's not a torque converter seal. I don't know yet how it's leaking. Pressure leak. I've checked all the lines. the splice, the filter section, all looks good. No lines were off, no lines were loose. And why it did it, I don't know, but last night on the way home, I kicked the AC on just to run it, get it to circulate, and this happened. So I don't know if that caused the problem, increased line pressure because of strain on the motor, and it goes to the transmission. I don't know yet. So I'm going to get 2 gallon of Dexron 5 trans fluid, full synthetic, and see if when I put it back in, or put it in, that she goes in gear. Now the fluid does not burn, so it pumped out most of the fluid, so I'm amazed but yet shocked I didn't see coffee looking transmission fluid. As I said in the video before this one, I am really shocked but yet pleasantly surprised it's not, but I believe I lost most of the fluid. So as soon as I find out on the fluid, it goes back in gear, I will let you know with another upcoming video, update video, and we'll get her back on the road. So stick with me, hang in there, and I will let you know. But as I've said, I don't know whether I caused it or she just decided to give way. So I shall hopefully find out. When I put the fluid back in, she holds between 10 and 13 quarts. I'll start her back up. Hopefully not see the leak, but it came from somewhere, and the tack weld and all the modifications that I did in the other video is all intact. So right now, I wished I knew to tell you, but I don't. It's weighing heavy on my mind, and I'm not going to mislead you, and see how this goes. Okay, so hang in there, stick with me, and I will be back as soon as I can. Thanks a lot, everyone. Have a great one, and keep the wrenches turning and easy on the knuckles. Have a great one. Thanks, everyone. Bye.